If you're an Amazon seller, you already know the hardest part isn't listing or shipping. It's finding enough good deals every single day without burning out. You can spend hours clicking through random stores, checking Keepa, copying and pasting ASINs, only to come away with a handful of maybe deals. And if you're doing OA or wholesale, or even getting started with online arbitrage or wholesale, you eventually hit a wall where your time and your eyeballs become the bottleneck that slows you down and prevents you from scaling any further. And that is why in today's software spotlight, I want to talk about ArbiSource. Well, the simplest way to describe it is it's like giving yourself a full-time sourcing team that never sleeps, never gets tired, and never stops scanning for profitable products and then spoon-feeding them to you. So instead of manually hunting, this is going to constantly scan hundreds of retail websites, pull in price data, pull in matching products from Amazon, and filter everything through your own custom criteria, whatever you set it as. So when you sit down to source, you're not starting from zero manually every single time. You're logging into a dashboard full of leads that are already pre-filtered and ready for you to analyze. Now, there are a few big ways that this can help you. So first and foremost, you got the vault. Think of this as a giant library of pre-found deals. It's going to scan hundreds of stores in the background and drop profitable matches into the vault for you. And then you can jump in by store, by category, or by keyword even. So you know, for example, that if Argos or Target or Walgreens just ran a sale, right? You don't have to manually comb their website yourself and look at these deals like you used to 5 years ago. Instead, you just open that store in the vault and you can instantly see matched products with profit, ROI, BSR, estimated monthly sales, and a Keepa style chart all in one place for you with all of that data. It is like waking up and having somebody hand you a list, almost like it's like the paper or like the today's section. Here's a list of what's worth looking at today that might be profitable for you. Now, on top of that, you've got scans. This is where ArbiSource, in my opinion, really becomes your sourcing engine. Now, store scans let you target a specific retailer when you know there's a sale or a discount happening, right? So you can pick the store, you can set the categories, and then you can add any coupons or cashback that you might have on top of that, and it will go off and scan that section for more profitable matches against Amazon's catalog for you. So instead of clicking page after page, you're setting your filters once and then letting the tool do all the heavy lifting for you. And this is much different than having the other sourcing softwares out there that exist today do it, because this is a much more efficient use of your time, and this is already doing the pre-vetted work based on those parameters. Furthermore, category scans flip that around for you too, right? So instead of saying scan this one store like we just talked about, which can be advantageous in some instances, with category scans, you can scan a category across a bunch of different stores. So for example, of those of you that out there are specializing with a specific store, let's say you're focused on beauty, again, like if you're a wholesale seller and you're mainly focused on some category, beauty, tools, toys, office supplies, right? Whatever it is, you can have ArbiSource sweep that whole category across every single store and show you everything that fits your specific criteria. Now, that is huge if you're trying to stay in your lane and go deep in a niche instead of randomly sourcing everything out there. And for those wholesale sellers, like I said, there is wholesale scans. That is a game changer. You can upload a supplier catalog from wherever your supplier is. The ASINs, the UPCs, the product titles, and the costs all in that catalog will then be scanned against Amazon's catalog, and it will show you which items are profitable based on your wholesale sheet and Amazon's actual catalog. So instead of having to manually check every single line in your spreadsheet with Keepa or a calculator, or having your virtual assistant do it and then you have to pay them for their time, instead you can just upload that once, map a few columns out, and then let ArbiSource spit back the short list of real opportunities that are profitable and actually have a certain amount of sales under a certain BSR. And again, you can set all those filters. It is incredible. And I absolutely love this feature because as somebody who mixes online arbitrage and wholesale, and there are a lot of us out there more than you realize, it is important to have a software that helps you with both of them, right? Online arbitrage and wholesale. That way you're not paying double for multiple software programs and then trying to piece them together and make it work. And again, that feature in and of itself, if you mix and match online arbitrage and wholesale, are game changers. And then on top of that, there's the reverse search. So this again is one of my favorite features. If you watched any of my Amazon tutorials in the past, you'll know this is my main strategy that I start with and recommend people starting with. So this is one of my favorite concepts. Normally you just start with a store and you hope to find, good Amazon products. If you're manually sourcing, like I used to go out there in the very, very beginning and show how I'd source deals on GameStop, but again, manually, and then try to find them on Amazon's catalog. But instead of having to do that, that, you can just reverse search other profitable stores that you know are already selling well, right? So reverse search flips that. You start with the ASIN and then ask, where can I buy this cheaper? So you can upload a big ASIN list ultimately of like 10, 20 different ASINs or whatever the case is that you pulled from Keepa or another store. And then ArbiSource will scan the network of stores to find sourcing options for those exact products, right? It will give you sometimes just one other website, sometimes a few, and you can kind of pick the best supplier for you or multiple ones. And this is extremely, extremely powerful because if you already know which products sell well, you just might need to source it from a better supplier or find a better margin, right? And this reverse sourcing strategy is exactly how I built my multiple six-figure business on Amazon when I was first starting out. It is hands down one of the easiest ways to find profitable products. You just find other stores that are already selling well. This is the blueprint. You then reverse engineer their best-selling products. Then you find the supplier. Sometimes that can be the toughest part, but this helps you with that, or even a better supplier. And then you can take a portion of that store's sales off that product, obviously get it for yourself. And ArbiSource helps you do this with this reverse search feature. I absolutely love it. In any Amazon software, sourcing software that is, this should be a prerequisite. All of that would already be solid as like an all-in-one Amazon sourcing software. But as I delve deeper into this lately, they also layer on some extra features that make sourcing faster and smarter as well. So one of the coolest features that I've seen recently is the price drops too, right? So it's constantly watching for products and where the retail price has dropped by 25% or more. So when that happens, it's going to flag it as a price drop and then push it directly into a dedicated section on ArbiSource for 48 hours. So you can see the old price crossed out, and the newer price will literally be underneath of it. 25% or more, obviously, is the parameters for that. And that is a perfect jumping in for temporary clearance items or flash sales or weird dips in the market or a trend before anybody else notices, and then before the price bounce back, number one, or before if you want to clear out the inventory. So perfect example of this, it was probably 6 months ago now, but there was an item with like 20, it was like a drum set, and it was relatively expensive, and the deal was, I think it was like 6 months ago now, but it was like almost 40% off, which at a high price point of like $650 is a decent margin, right? I went in, I cleared all that inventory out, listed it on Amazon, obviously sent it into FBA, and over time, I think over the next like 2 months or so, that slowly sold off, and I was the one who obviously profited on all of those. Had I not gotten that or had been late to that deal set because I didn't know this, then obviously I might have only gotten one or two of those instead of all of those sales, or other people might have came in and then undercut the price point on that buy box a lot more, and then again, it wouldn't have been as successful. So this is another valuable tool that you should utilize, especially since it's already in here in conjunction with all the other ones, right? And one more thing that I love too is they also thought really deeply about how you manage your product leads. So it's not jumbled or all over the place. As you're going through results, you can easily add promising products to your sourcing list. So that's going to add saved items to a list of stuff that you want to look closer at or your VA looks closer at that won't get auto deleted. So you can also have ArbiSource automatically refresh the prices on that list. So if you're constantly adding them to that saved list and then, 5 days goes by because you get busy or it's the weekend or whatever, you just automatically refresh it instead of having those be outdated and having to go back and obviously manually add more deals through the website. That feature in and of itself I love it. I haven't seen another software on Amazon that's like a sourcing software have a feature like that. And again, they thought of everything with this, okay? Furthermore, with that saved list, which I love, you can also export it as a CSV, for example, if you want to give it to your VA or you want to add it to another software for whatever reason. I personally export it and then I give it to my virtual assistant, and then they can scan all those deals without obviously needing to be with me on my computer, which in some cases they are, but that's, a different story, right? So all of those features are amazing, but one of the cool things about this too is they have really good filters. So they're super helpful to help you sort through products faster, no matter where you are on the actual software. You can set your minimum profit, minimum ROI, minimum bestseller rank, minimum estimated monthly sales. You can exclude hazmat. You can avoid IP risks. You can avoid Amazon on the listing, or you can avoid out of stock items, right? All of these things are filtered parameters that you can set up to avoid or obviously focus on within a certain subset of a product. So it's only showing you the products and the deals that fit those parameters. And that's going to save you not just hours, but realistically days or weeks on your sourcing. It is huge for sellers that obviously want to move the needle and spend their time more efficiently. The big picture here is, as an Amazon seller, your job is to analyze and make decisions, not spend all day copying URLs, refreshing product pages, and bouncing back and forth between 20 different tabs. That's literally what's slowing you down. And and you're never going to be able to scale doing that yourself. But this software solves all those problems for you in multiple ways. This is how you go from like, I'm struggling to find enough products, which is all too relevant. Like I hear that all the time, or, I don't have enough time to source all the deals that I need. I'm making money, I'm doing well, but like I'm just running out of time at the end of the day. Again, all too familiar. I hear that all the time. I've been there myself too, right? To more of like, I have more potential buys than I can even afford right now, or than I have time to source. And that can be you very easily with a software like this. You just need to learn how to spend your time more efficiently and not manually source deals or use a software that's like semi-manual where you have to. No, instead, use a software that's going through already, spoon feeding you these profitable deals, allowing you to then set parameters that filters it even more, which is crazy. Add them to a list so you can check them, later, or refresh that list constantly. Send it to a virtual assistant or whatever you want to do. But this software, game changer. If you'd like a more efficient way to make money flipping products on Amazon, ArbiSource, definitely worth testing out. Set up your filters, run a few scans, play with the vault, play with the price drops, and you will see just how quickly it makes sourcing on Amazon super easy for you. Now, I will drop a link in the description below if you want to check it out and start your trial. Software like this is the difference between sellers that struggle to make a few sales and sellers that can actually turn this into a full-time income or even more. Really hope it helps.